Have you ever wondered what happened to the food that you eat every day? We all know that the energy we need comes from the food that we eat. But how does the food turn into energy? How come a simple meal energizes us to function efficiently every day? In order for us to understand it, let's take a look at the system of our body that is responsible for this, and it is the digestive system. For our lecture today, we will utilize a video from TED to properly visualize the digestive process.
Across the whole planet, humans eat on average between 1 and 2.7 kilograms of food a day. That's over 365 kilograms a year per person, and more than 28,800 kilograms over the course of a lifetime. And every last scrap makes its way through the digestive system.
The digestive system is comprised of 10 organs covering 9 meters and containing over 20 specialized cell types. This is one of the most diverse and complicated systems in the human body.
Its parts continuously work in unison to fulfill a singular task, and it is to transform the raw materials of your food into the nutrients and energy that keeps you alive.
Spanning the entire length of your torso, the digestive system has four main components. First, there is the gastrointestinal tract, a twisting channel that transports your food and has an internal surface area of between 30 and 40 square meters, enough to cover half a badminton court.
Second, there's the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver, a trio of organs that break down food using an array of special juices. Third, the body's enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood all work together to break down food, modulate the digestive process, and deliver its final products.
Finally, there's the mesentery, a large stretch of tissue that supports and positions all your digestive organs in the abdomen, enabling them to do their jobs.
The digestive process begins before the food even hits your tongue, anticipating a tasty morsel. Glands in your mouth starts to pump out saliva. We produce about 1.5 liters of this liquid each day. Once inside your mouth, chewing combines with the sloshing saliva to turn food into a moist lump called the bolus.
Enzymes present in the saliva break down any starch. Then, your food finds itself at the rim of a 25 centimeter long tube called the esophagus, down which it must plunge to reach the stomach.
Nerves in the surrounding esophageal tissue sense the bolus presence and triggers peristalsis, a series of defined muscular contractions that propels the food into the stomach, where it's left at the mercy of the muscular stomach walls which bound the bolus, breaking it into chunks.
Hormones secreted by the cells in the lining trigger the release of acids and enzyme-rich juices from the stomach wall that start to dissolve the food and break down its proteins.
These hormones also alert the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder to produce digestive juices and transfer bile, a yellowish-green liquid that digests fat, in preparation for the next stage.
After 3 hours inside the stomach, the once shapely bolus is now a frothy liquid called chyme, and it's ready to move into the small intestine. The liver sends bile to the gallbladder, which secretes it into the first portion of the small intestine called duodenum. Here, it dissolves the fats floating the slurry of chyme, so they can be easily digested by the pancreatic and intestinal juices that have leached onto the seam.
These enzyme-rich juices break the fat molecules down into fatty acids and glycerol for easier absorption into the body. The enzymes also carry out the final deconstruction of proteins into amino acids and carbohydrates into glucose.
This happens in the small intestine's lower regions, the jejunum and ileum, which are coated in millions of tiny projections called villi. These create a huge surface area to maximize molecule absorptions and transference into the bloodstream.
The blood takes them on the final leg of their journey to feed the body's organs and tissues. But it's not over quite yet. Leftover fiber, water, and dead cells sloughed off during digestion make it into the large intestine, also known as the colon.
The body drains out most of the remaining fluid through the intestinal wall. What's left is a soft mass called stool. The colon squeezes this byproduct into a pouch called the rectum, where nerves sense it expanding and tell the body when it's time to expel the waste.
The byproducts of digestion exit through the anus, and the food's long journey, typically lasts between 30 and 40 hours, is finally complete.
The digestive system works with other systems in our body in order for us to function well every day, which is why we need to have a healthier diet, and scientists suggest learning more and more about how to maintain a healthy lifestyle throughout our lives.
It's no surprise that regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight, improve mood and sleep habit, and boost overall health. And it's clear that a well-balanced diet full of nutritious foods is critical to good health. But when it comes to understanding which food are the best choices, much nutrition research has focused on how certain foods or nutrients may have a negative effect on health or even play a role in disease development.
We are rapidly learning about what foods and nutrients should be emphasized in our diets and how they can enhance our health. Diets full of fruits and veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and lean meats have proven health benefits like lowering blood pressure, improving glucose control in diabetes, weight loss, improving arthritis, and reducing the risk of cancer and cardiovascular events.
And we are learning more about the specific nutrients that can impact health. For example, plant pigments found in bright orange and red fruits and vegetables may prevent and slow the progression of eye diseases. Calcium helps to keep bones strong. B vitamins play a role in maintaining brain health, and flavonoids from many plants may improve the health of our cardiovascular
The
system.
bottom line is that you have the power to maintain and improve your health, add vitality to your years, and reduce your risk of disease. And it's never too late to make a change.
And that ends our topic on the digestive system. From our lecture, we understand the process of the digestive system and the importance of having a healthy lifestyle. Therefore, we hope that you fully understand how our digestive system works and you will be able to incorporate different lessons in your daily life to attain a healthier and better life.